Alright, hey everybody, Anissa here, and today I went to Ulta, lost my mind, bought too much stuff, and now I'm going to tell you about it. So if you like Ulta hauls, if you like hauls, if you like everything else about makeup and beauty and fashion, don't forget to hit subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let's get into what I bought. So I've always been curious about this brand, Makeup Revolution, and I just decided to kind of go crazy in their aisle and pick up several things. The first one was their terracotta baking powder. I really like something a little bit deeper in tone, not even a banana powder for baking, like around my mouth and on the lower part of my jaw. This one, I haven't tried it underneath the eye, but today I did set this area of my face with this powder. So I'm really excited to really test it all day because I only did this makeup for filming today. Next up was this Iconic Neutrals 2. This color palette just screamed my name, and this palette actually was $7. So this powder was $8, this one was $7. So I was like, I really don't have nothing to lose here but my mind. I haven't opened up yet. I have the seal on it, but I do think I want to do an independent review of this and just the application of the shadows. So holler at me down in the comments below if you want to see that. Now, I also picked up this palette. This is like the most expensive Makeup Revolution palette that I grabbed, which was their Ultra Pro Glow 2. This one was $15, but again, I was like, oh, so mesmerizing. And these tend to be a little bit deeper in tone. Oh, let's look at that. Hopefully this ring light doesn't, can't. Ooh, that's pretty. That's real pretty. Like this little pearl one. Probably not for your girl, but could be really pretty on someone a little bit more fair in skin tone. Either way, I'm really excited. I love like peachy highlighters too, like this to layer over blushes, just to give them a little bit more of a glow. So this was, to me, you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 different highlighters in a pretty decent size for $15. So not too bad if you're trying to build your makeup collection and just want a one-stop shop. So I also picked up this blush palette. I believe this was $7 as well. Let me double check my thrifty receipt. That's super weird. Oh, yeah, sorry. This was $7 as well. This is my first, like, okay. All right. Let's get real. Let's get real. This is probably going to get returned. So that's the shades. I don't know if you can tell on here, but they look a little bit richer in tone, like orange almost, like deeper tones. And this is what it ends up looking like. Very, very light. And now the hard part with this brand in Ulta, they don't have like samples of it out. And like, she's cute, but not for me, no. What a shame. I was rooting for you. All right, so don't get this. Like, I'm gonna be super honest. Like, this is easier because you see the actual pans out. I really have a special place in my heart where palettes like this, where they don't have a tester out, I'm only seeing what the colors are supposed to look like back here, and I promise you, it's really like this light is catching it a little bit off. I'll try to see if I can insert a picture, but you would really think that these tones would be a little bit deeper than what they were. And this one was called the Ultra Blush Palette Hot Spice. Again, spice. Thought it was going to be a little richer. So, two good palettes. And then also they had a free gift for if you spent $15, and they gave you this other palette. So I was like, when I saw that, I was like, oh, I better get something from here. I don't know, I'm curious to try this palette. Love Conquers All. Has a whole heart. The next two things I picked up I already used because I used them in this video, but they were the Morphe brushes. I was just restocking them because I feel like the ones I've had for over 2 years, and I just wanted to get two fresh ones, the M441 and the M433, because I use these literally nearly every day, so like 340 days a year at the least. I also picked up the beauty sponge from Morphe as well, the contour and highlight and contour, because I'm curious of what a sponge outside of Beauty Blender, I'm curious about them, because the Beauty Blender is a steeper price point, and I'm always wondering if there's something a little bit cheaper that does just as good of a job. So for the Morphe sponge, this was $7, and then for the Morphe, these two brushes are $6 a piece at Ulta. Okay, so did you all know that they started selling ColourPop at Ulta? I did not know. Didn't know. Pleasant surprise. Another problem. So I picked up two liquid lipsticks from them. They're ultra mattes. The color Mama and More Better. I really was like, okay, I could go crazy right here because they're super affordable. But I grabbed two colors I feel like I did not have yet, at least at this price point in my collection. Like, this reminds me of Kat Von D Boho 5, and this one is More Better. And I've never tried ColourPop before, because like I'm like one person, I like to see them in person when it comes to lipsticks. Like it's hard for me to buy lipsticks online like that unless I've seen like reviews on them and everything. And even by the time I saw reviews, I was like I just want to get everything. So I'm happy I saw it in person and really only decided on two. These are the colors right here. More Better, that really nice rich raspberry, and this like orangey tone, really like that. And that one's Mama. Really excited to wear this one. And both of these lippies retail for $6.50. The other lippy I grabbed, which is from BH Cosmetics, which is the It's My Ray Ray Lip Gloss in Rosy Ray. They had the palette there. Like, I like the palette, it's cute. I just wasn't like, oh my gosh, I need this. Like, and they were out of stock too. Wait, were they out of stock of that one? No, they were out of stock of the festival one. But I was like contemplating, do I get the palette? Do I get the palette? Do I get the palette? I had to pump the brakes somewhere, but I really like this gloss because it seems super pigmented. And I'm in like a gloss phase, you guys. Like, it's really weird for me. That's it swatched on the back of my hand right there. It's like a really pretty like mauve color, which is gonna be just fun and gorgeous. This retailed for $10, and I was surprised it was like that pricey. I mean, I used to buy a lot of BH Cosmetics. I don't know, is that surprising? I don't know, I thought it would be like $6, to be honest. But I was like, okay, $10 is not that bad. Plus, I think, too, is a collaboration, so, alright. So from NYX, I grabbed the Wonder Pencil in Deep. I'm almost out of my first one, so I just like this to run in my waterline and brighten it up a bit. It's better than using a white eyeliner. It looks way better for so many reasons, but I love this little guy. Just a great little weapon to have in your arsenal for if you feel like you're looking a little tired one day. You pop this in your waterline, brighten it up, or like for this look I did for glasses, I popped it into a waterline to brighten up that area so it doesn't get too dark. The Wonder Pencil is $4.49. I also picked up some white liquid liner from NYX, which is $6.99. I'm really trying to do some really cool abstract looks, and I felt like the white liner was the one I would get the most use out of. Who knows, the next festival time I may have another makeup look for it. I did do a festival tutorial that was really, really fun, and I was like, okay, I feel like I definitely need this. I also picked up two lippies from NYX, which is the Strictly Vinyl. So this is a lip gloss, but it's very pigmented. It's actually, this one I have on today, and this one is Baby Doll. Love it. I'm low-key living for this because I'm into glosses right now. Like I was saying, I'm living for it. And then I also bought Bombshell, so just like a nice rich brown. Yo, I swatched these. I was like, all right, this is necessary because I don't have too many like pigmented glosses like this. So right up here is the Bombshell. That's Bombshell. And then there's Baby Doll. You need these. If you don't have these, you need these. Now these Strictly Vinyl lip glosses are $7.99 a piece. Still not bad at all. From NYX, I also got a gift with purchase. Let's open this up. Lippy Love. How perfect for me. Okay, so in the gift with purchase, you get the little makeup pouch. You also get a matte liquid liner in black. Okay, cool. And then you get a pencil, suede lip pencil in Copenhagen. And then the matching soft matte lip cream in Copenhagen. Not bad. These are full sizes too. Okay, NYX, thanks for the gift with purchase. And not skimping on it. Actually, both gift with purchases were like full sizes. So I also picked up some drugstore mascara because actually mascara is one of those things I always splurge on. But I've been wanting to try the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Angel, like it flared out. One of my coworkers had it on one time. I was like, well, your lashes look good. And she's like, oh, it's just this stuff. And I was like, So I always wanted to try it. The brush for it is really interesting. Like it combs. I used it today too, but it really is like, it looks like a comb. Like it's not a 360 bristle. So I was like, okay. And then I just grabbed the Colossal Big Shot. I felt like, I was wondering if this would be the most comparable to my Lancome Mr. Big mascara. So I was really curious about that. I don't, like, this is another one. I may just take it back. It's still in the packaging. So I don't know. Like, I'm so hooked on, like, Lancome mascaras. Like, they're my favorite. Like, I like the Drama one. Like, I like them. I really do. They're one of those ones that I feel like I get the effect that I like out of having on mascara, and I'm not feeling like it's lacking in any way. But we will see. I definitely will. Obviously, I'm going to keep using this one. It's just like really good to thin it out and get some more definition. But this one, I don't know if it's necessary. I was in the moment. Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and saw some new items that maybe sparked your curiosity. This is like pretty much only one thing I've already owned in this thing, and I was just restocking. Everything else is something new for me to try, so I'm passing that on to you all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you'll be a part of the tribe, and hit the notification bell so you know first when I upload. I want you to know first. Like, I want you to be the first one watching it. Other than that, I had a fun time hanging out with you all. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.